Thing is copacetic. Crew Chief Bob Whitney out there. Here comes the Shockwave.
Get ready, he's gonna go kaboom.
Those flames coming out of the smokestack go about 8 or 10 feet in the air. All right, now we're gonna get a little smoke and we're gonna get a little glow as she drives through the middle of that smoke. So you're going to get a real eerie picture of the Shockwave lays down a big line of smoke.
No, I figured he'd come by here.
There we go, nice glow in there, the Shockwave.
Look at them. Isn't that sweet?
Beautiful night shot there. Hope you have your cameras ready. Okay, down to the right side. He'll turn in. He'll be coming up the taxiway. You're going to see
Get
fire.
ready.
You're
This
gonna
way?
smell
Yup.
smoke.
You're coming this way.
Sonic booms as Kent
You're gonna hear a lot of
gets ready
noise.
for his run.